Why this petunia plant automatically grown in my garden? I have a question, I have a curiosity. I never buy this plant from nursery or never sow the seed of this plant, but automatically it grows in my garden and giving me lots of flower. I observe these flowers. I observe carefully inside the flower there are yellow colored grain and one ball like green colored structure. Those are male gamete and female gametes of this flower. I pluck the flower and gently observe what should be happen. I observe the flower dried and produce the seed pods. This is the burst seed pod of the flower. I took one flower and tried to cut this flower gently with my hand. I just pulled the petals away from each other and I saw the yellow colored grains, the pollen grains, that is anther, clearly, and the green ball like structure, that is the stigma, female gamete of the flower. I took one needle to tear the whole tube-like structure of this flower and see what is inside the flower. See, these are anthers and the green colored is the stigma. Next, I am curious about what should be the process of the pollination or formation of a seed. I simply cut the ending portion of the flower, that is the flower's ovary. With the help of needle, I tear it and very small, tiny, green colored microscopic ovaries are present in that portion. I don't have microscope, but I studied it before, so I know that. Simply, the pollen grains fall on the stigma. The male gamete, male sperms enter through the tube towards the ovary, and here's the fertilization.
Pollen grains from the anther are released by a gentle wind. They travel through the air and land on the sticky stigma.
The pollen grains stuck on the stigma and enters through the tube towards the ovary chamber. Here's the fertilization takes place. Sperms penetrate into the ovule and fruit formation.
The petunia ovary expands, protecting the tiny, developing seeds.
Yeah.
The pod matures and
These seeds disperse in the soil, and after rainy season, these seeds germinate into new saplings.